Hi, in this video I'll show you how to extract .dmg and .pkg files on Windows 11. This file format is from macOS and I will show you here how you can extract this and install the files on Windows. First, you need 7-zip. You can download 7-zip and install it with the command pasted. I pasted in the description below, in the description of this video. So use 7-zip and open archive. So I right-clicked it. Now, as you can see, we have this pack here. You can go ahead and extract it if that's what you want. But for example, here in this archive, we have an .pkg file. So the way this PKG file works, if you go inside it, you will see these files. And what's inside here, we would like to, install the .pkg file. As you can see here in this case, we have another .pkg file, and this is how the PKG files look like. They have this payload file here. So if you go to payload, open it up, you will have another archive here. Open this up as well, double click it. You saw there it started extracting. So we go to the dot folder, and here it is, this library. For example, this is a folder that, when you install the files on macOS, this folder gets extracted. So I think this is all you need. You can stop watching the video now. This is what I needed, this expansion preset folder. So you have to go inside here, open the archives, and now you can just extract it for your purposes. So this is how you do it. Catch you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel and goodbye.